This is a GAST 2067-10 vacuum pump. It's got a Baldor 1.5 horsepower motor. It is it's right now wired for 220 single phase, but it's convertible to 110 single phase. I just don't know the amperage difference. I'll take a picture of the tag here. It's got this Bullard S1710-1 Carbofine outlet filter cartridge on it. See, it's got this split for the outlet, and there's the plugs right there. I took them out because you don't run a pump like that. It ruins a pump, I believe. At least that's what I was always told. I'll walk around it here. And, I mean... I think this adjusts it. I think I get it. Yeah. It was set real low. It was set at like, you can see there, I got it to like 30 pounds pressure. It looks to me, and this is just a guess, this is the compression side, so this is blowing out. Obviously this is sucking in. You can probably set it up either way. You could probably put this over here and run it as a vacuum, but I think currently it's set up to be a compressor. But like I said, it's just a 2067 GAST pump anyway, so that's what it is. It's new. It's just old stock. There was a label on there that came off when I pulled the cover off. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.